Hi, I'm Angelo Delarosa, Director of Technical Operations at ZEGAZ Instruments, and I'm proud to present PhaseAlarm, our newest patented product that will protect your gas analyzers from liquid intrusion. And now I will demonstrate how it works. What if you could stop liquids from reaching your gas analyzers? Or you could stop liquids from damaging your GC columns? How much does that cost? What if you could stop liquids from damaging your tunable diode laser-based analyzers or moisture analyzers? How much are they charging you these days to clean and repair them? This is where PhaseAlarm comes in. When installed upstream of your analyzers, it will monitor the incoming gas stream for any traces of liquids of any kind, including liquid water, NGLs or natural gas liquids, and alcohols or glycols. As long as the gas sample is completely in the vapor phase, it will continue to flow to your analyzers. However, if PhaseAlarm detects any liquids, it will immediately divert flow away from your analyzers, saving you costly repair and downtime. Once liquids are no longer present in the gas stream, PhaseAlarm will detect it and will restore the flow of the gas sample back to your analyzers again. Right now, I have gas flowing through the instrument. Because the gas is purely in the vapor phase, it will flow freely through the PhaseAlarm to your other gas analyzers. Now, I'm going to simulate liquid intrusion to demonstrate the detection and rejection of the liquid. Now we're going to introduce liquid into the gas sample, and we will visually see the detection and rejection of the liquid. Here we have the rejected liquid. Now that there is no more liquid present in the gas sample, the system has reverted flow back to the other gas analyzers. Let's go over the main components of the PhaseAlarm. Here we have our gas sample input, our gas sample output, which you would connect to your other analyzers, and your rejected liquid ports, which you would connect to a vent or flare stack. Power is brought in on the left side, and the unit can be powered on using the switch on the left side of the control box. Let's take a look inside. Here we have the control box, the input isolation valve, our analytical cell, and our integrated three-way valve. Gas flows in through the input port and passes through the analytical cell, where liquids, if present, will be detected. In the absence of liquids, gas will flow through to your other gas analyzers. If liquids are detected, flow will be diverted to the liquid rejection port, protecting your other gas analyzers from liquid damage. Here on our main screen, we have the current status of the PhaseAlarm, the date and timestamp of the last recorded liquid intrusion event, the timestamp of when that event cleared, our live event graph. We also have our current gas temperature as well as the system temperature and our menu buttons to navigate the menu screens. On the settings screen, we have our operator and location fields, the selectable temperature units, as well as the format for their date and time. On the log screen, we have our log of software-related events, a history log of events detected and recoveries, as well as our selectable historical graphs. The last two buttons we have are the contact, which will give you the contact information for the ZEGAZ Instruments factory, as well as the off button to properly shut down the unit. Inside the box, we have two 4020 analog outputs, as well as one digital output. One 4020 output reports the gas temperature, which is useful in process diagnostics. The other 4020 reports the status of the PhaseAlarm. The digital output is triggered when a liquid upset event occurs.